In this video, we're counting down the top 5 products in this category, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1. Each item is reviewed for performance, usability, and overall value, with the top-ranked choice revealed at the end. You can find links to all the featured products in the description below for easy reference. Ranked 5th as a rugged entry pick, the KODAKPI XPR OWPZ2 is built for users who want a simple camera that can handle rough environments. Its main advantage is durability, making it suitable for travel, outdoor activities, and casual underwater use without extra housing. The compact design keeps it easy to carry, while basic controls make operation straightforward for beginners. Image quality is reliable for everyday memories, and video performance is sufficient for casual clips. One meaningful technical feature is its waterproof construction, which allows shooting down to 15 meters. This protection adds confidence in wet, dusty, or impact-prone conditions, making the WPZ2 a practical choice for active, worry-free shooting. Ranked 4th as a versatile mid-range option, the VGI Anger 4K digital camera is built for beginners who want both photography and vlogging in one compact device. Its main advantages are strong image clarity and user-friendly operation, making it suitable for travel, social content, and everyday shooting without a steep learning curve. The lightweight design supports portability, while included accessories make it ready to use out of the box. One technical feature that adds real value is the 180-degree flip screen, which simplifies self-recording and framing for vlogs or photos. This balance of simplicity and functionality makes it a practical choice for users exploring content creation. Ranked 3rd as a balanced mid-range pick, this 4K digital camera is aimed at users who want improved image quality without stepping into complex equipment. Its key benefit is versatility, performing well for casual photography, travel, and beginner vlogging in a compact form. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry daily, while included accessories support longer shooting sessions. Controls are straightforward, helping new users focus on capturing content rather than adjusting settings. One meaningful technical feature is the autofocus system, which keeps subjects sharp with minimal effort. This improves reliability when filming or photographing on the move, making the camera a practical option for teens, beginners, and everyday content creators. Ranked 2nd as a reliable runner-up pick, the KODAKPI XPROF Z55 is designed for users who want simple photography with consistent results. Its main advantage is ease of use, making it suitable for beginners, casual shooting, and everyday travel photos without complex settings. The compact and lightweight body makes it easy to carry daily, while image quality remains dependable for both photos and basic video. Color reproduction is balanced, and operation feels straightforward. One meaningful technical feature is the 5x optical zoom, which allows users to capture subjects at a distance without sacrificing image clarity. This makes the FZ55 a practical choice for everyday photography and light vlogging needs. Ranked 1st as a solid entry-level pick, the Camcori digital camera is designed for kids and beginners who want simple, reliable photography. Its biggest strengths are ease of use and portability, making it suitable for travel, school activities, and everyday moments without complicated controls. Image and video output are consistent for casual shooting, and the lightweight body fits easily into a pocket or small bag. Battery efficiency supports extended use without frequent recharging, which is especially practical for younger users. One valuable technical feature is the built-in anti-shake function, which helps reduce motion blur when shooting handheld. This makes the camera a dependable option for learning photography and capturing memories with confidence. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.